David's Techno.
Hello friends, welcome to Divid's Techno. Today I am going to teach you how to add a moving background in Google Meet. First things first, you click on New Meeting and over here you go in Start an Instant Meeting. So let it load. Yep, it's still loading. So it will say your meetings is ready. Add others. But right now if you join some of your normal meetings and all, but this is my only meeting to show you. So let me just click on this cross and this is my background right now. I haven't applied a background, so this is my real house, you can say. So I click on change background after clicking the three dots. So you can see my normal background. In the last video, I told you how to add a image background over here on your background, like this fireworks. So now I will have fireworks on my background. So I told you about this and I told you how to upload on it. But in the uploading, you had this plus button. And now I am going to teach you how to get a moving background like an MP4. So over here, it will always give you three backgrounds of moving because of the new update of Google Meet. And we have a new menu bar on the bottom. So you find these boardings. Like this is really boring. People are working. You don't want to join a company meeting like this. So you can just click on this plus icon, use image from disk. In the last video, like I told you, I also used this for uploading PNGs and GPGs. And Google is not allowing me to upload MP4. So over here in the options, you will be in Windows or Mac. In Mac you will get the options and on Windows it will be straight away with format customized file, JPG or PNG. So you have to click on the customize file and make it all files. Now over here you would be thinking it's not letting me click, but it will you. Like I have my resource of this, like I can put my background. So if I click it, it will get it selected, but it won't show because of the Google Meet settings. You would be thinking if I upload the PNG only it will work. But if you upload a MP4, it's working. Look, I'm at a beach. So you can upload many backgrounds like that. And right now there are only these three boring ones. One with the tree with leaves flying and one which I told you people working and one animated people dancing. You don't want to put that, but you can put this if you want to go in a meeting with your friends. And if you want to go on a company meeting, you can put an office background which people are working on a computer, but you will get some MP4s on Google for that. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you next time in my other video. So bye bye guys.